Redhead Day. 5 weird things about gingers. Today is National Redhead Day, aka Love Your Red Hair Day, and it's time to celebrate these human oddities and reflect on how they make the rest of us feel. Here are 5 things to consider. They're really rare. Redheads are believed to be less than 2% of the world's population, meaning there are fewer redheads in the entire world than there are people in Bangladesh alone. They're even fairly rare in the places with the highest concentration of gingers, Scotland and Ireland, where they are just 13 and 10% of the population. Obsession, fear, and prejudice. Redheads are often prized as potential mates because of their rarity. There are few of them to go around, which might prompt a heightened sense of competitiveness among suitors. But they're also stereotyped as temperamental and overly sexual. More redhead murders among alarming trend of unsolved highway homicides. As such, they are obsessed over. The Urban Dictionary calls it ginger vicious, feared, gingerphobia, and bullied/discriminated against, gingerism. That mutated MC1R gene. Red hair is a result of a mutated MC1R gene, which affects far more than hair color. For example, mutations in the gene cause fair skin, and a consequential increased risk of cancer, and are linked to an increased sensitivity to pain and a decreased sensitivity to local anesthetics. Abnormalities in the MC1R gene also have been linked to an increased sensitivity to cold and hot sensations. They have more sex. A study by Werner Habermehl at the Hamburg Research Institute in Germany suggests women with red hair are demonstrably more sexually active than women with other hair colors. A number of factors could be at work. Red hair grabs attention and provokes and arouses others, which might prompt those attracted to redheads to act more on impulse. What's more, those who dye their hair from another color to red often do so to mark a transition in their lives, such as signaling that they're on the market for a new partner, a signal sometimes subconsciously picked up by others. They aren't going anywhere. There's a persistent myth that redheads are going extinct, but that rumor has no credible source. The hair is caused by the MC1R gene mutation, which is a recessive trait. Even two dark-haired parents can produce a red-haired child as long as they both have that recessive gene. Although recessive genes may become more rare over time, the only way redheads could go extinct would be for everyone with the recessive trait to die or stop reproducing.